Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from the World's Dirtiest Workshop. I've always had problems with my phone charger cords and this character here because he's always playing with them. And if I just had a stock iPhone cord, he would chew right through it in a second and that cord would be done. I'm using these fiber covered, they're almost like a nylon material, covered power cords. And he's been chewing on this for a little while now, and it still works. So when I go to the store and look for a charger cord, I try to get these cords with these nylon covers on them, woven covers. Very nice, very strong. Not the best when it comes to bending, but still very useful for this guy. Look at the camera.